Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Pokémon Sun and Moon on your Android device. The only reliable method involves using a Nintendo 3DS emulator. We will focus on Citra, a popular and powerful option for bringing these beloved games to your mobile phone. This process allows you to enjoy the full adventure, battling and exploring, right in the palm of your hand. Get ready to embark on your Alola journey wherever you are. To begin, you will need the game files for Pokémon Sun or Moon. These are often referred to as ROMs. You can legally obtain these by dumping your own physical game cartridges using specific hardware or by acquiring digital copies you already own. Ensure your files are in a compatible format, typically 3DS or CCI, for the emulator to recognize them properly. Always prioritize legal and ethical methods for acquiring game data. Once you have your game files, the next step is to install the Citra emulator on your Android device. You can download the official application from its website or a trusted app store. After installation, open the emulator and navigate to its settings. You will need to point the emulator to the folder where your Pokémon game files are stored. This crucial step allows Citra to locate and load your game. For the best experience, adjust the emulator's settings. Experiment with resolution scaling, typically 1x or 2x, and frame rate limits, aiming for 30 or 60 frames per second, depending on your device's power. Once configured, simply select your Pokémon game from the emulator's menu to start playing. Enjoy exploring the Alola region and catching all your favorite Pokémon on the go.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.